My name is Dan Rommel, originally from Long Island, New York. I've lived up and down the East Coast, right now residing in Orlando, Florida. So when we started coming on to open up Orlando, it was recommended to seek out Will. He's known as one of the best in the industry for what he does. So I started looking it up. I had a couple email conversations with him trying to figure out the logistics to get down here. And me and my father-in-law have come down so we can learn all there is to learn about making great pizza, the systems, the process, how to treat our employees and customers, just an overall great experience with everybody that we're involved with. Learning a ton about the science of dough, the processes, the different pizza styles, more science than I expected, which is great. Words that I never thought I'd ever see or read before. Feel like a doctor to a point. So just a ton of information on from beginning to end process from the pizza dough all the way to the finished product for the customer.
Hi, I'm Gary Foster here from Orlando, Florida, and I'm having the pleasure of going through this seminar with my son-in-law. You know, our goal is to come here and learn all there is to learn about the pizza business, particularly the science of pizza, all the chemistry that goes on with developing pizza. We want to learn about the business aspect of selling pizza, the way you purchase it, the way you sell it, the way you mark it up, the way you portion things out. So we want to have a full round picture of what is happening in the pizza business. You know, for 60 some years I've been eating pizza, so now we're going to be making it and having a good time serving customers. And that's what we want to be. You know, the Pizziola School, we believe, is an opportunity for us to be the best at what we do. So that's our goal when we get through with the assignments, to learn it, then go back, practice it, and master it. And because Will is recognized as the best award-winning master chef of pizza, that's why we're here. It's been since May since we attended Pizziola School. Since then, we've come and we've remodeled this place. The Grand Central Pizza Station is what we call it. So you may be asking yourself, well, what did we learn at school and how did we apply it? The first thing we learned is, of course, the chemistry of the dough, and we apply that every single day. We make 3 batches of dough every day, and we follow all of Will's protocols that he does with dough, from the way we store it, the way we date it, the way we mix it. Everything is followed from the way of the Pizziola School, because we want that consistent dough experience for everyone that's coming in here, and people have come to trust that dough. The second thing we've done, as you can see throughout as we walk the place, all the stations, the workstations, have process steps clearly delineated in each of the locations. Whether you're making a salad, you're making a pizza, or you're making the dough, or you're storing something, all the process steps are clearly outlined for anyone to step in and do that job. Why do we do that? It's because we want the consistency in everything that we do. And then on the weekends, while we have 4 people working the pizza stations, Erica, Dan, or myself, one of us are here approving every single pie that goes out to our customers. Again, we want that consistent dining experience, the consistent taste experience, and the overall experience to be something that's replicated and supported online by everybody that comes in. And we are reaping the benefits from that process discipline. We have great reviews coming in on social media, and our help, we have very little turnover on help because they enjoy what they do, and they make a very good amount of money doing it. So overall, we think we built a great business, and we're off to a great start in the 4 short months that we've been doing this.
Hi, my name is Erica. I am Dan's wife, and you also know my dad, Gary. We all 3 of us run Grand Central Pizza Station. We've been open about 4 months now, and really excited to have attended Pizziola School because I think it has really made a positive impact on our business. We follow all the protocols on the dough, understand the chemistry and everything that it takes to make a good quality, consistent dough. And that's one of the things that our customers rave about. It's something that we see on social media and consumer feedback, reviews. Everyone talks about how great our dough is and the consistency of our product, which is why they love coming back here. So we're excited to be here and be a part of the community. Our business has grown substantially since we've opened, just based on social media and customer reviews of our product. And if our product didn't have that consistency and it didn't have the quality of the dough that we offer, we wouldn't probably be doing as well.